Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're going to talk about why GameStop stock is going up today. And if this is your first time to Rich Life Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and also how to be real estate agent. So if you want to get rich and succeed in life, so make sure you subscribe our channel so that you do not miss any of our videos. And at the end of the videos, you can get free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment. Today's topic is why GameStop stock is going up today, and also what other stocks are also going up, and what could happen. And also, I'm gonna share you my predictions and my thoughts and what I will do. So look at it, GameStop. The after hours is going up like crazy, up to 188.94 at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So it went up, it doubled that the price of the previous day. And if you look at the open price, you will see that it's 44.7. So the low of the day is also 44.7. So that means that the stock price has been going up since it opens. So what happened? At the closing, the stock basically went up like crazy. So let's look at it. And uh, if you remember, this stocks, like 4 weeks ago, it went up to $483. So that was like parabolic jump, like a supernova, very very crazy. Then it went back down to 40.57 until Friday, February 19th. So something must have happened before this, between this period. So you know why? I think there are a few questions that I think that could happen. That happened. Why the GameStop were going up like crazy? So one of the reasons is Ryan Cohen. He's an investor in the GameStop company. So he's on the board, so he can make some decision, as an investor. So he posted this picture of ice cream, McDonald's ice cream going up. So a lot of speculations came in. GME to the moon, GameStop to the moon, so stuff like that. So that could be one of the reasons. And if you look at the chart, it looks like ice cream, going up. That's a today chart. So if you don't know the Ryan Cohen, he's a millionaire billionaire who co-founded the Chewy. Chewy is an online pet supply store. So he spent between 76 million to acquire 9 million shares in December of the GameStop stock. So this is his poodle, Tiny, and this is a guy, a gentleman. He founded a Chewy. So basically, his Chewy company is an online business. So I'm hoping that he's gonna turn GameStop company around to make it into online business. Because that's where the future is. So speculations are coming out that he might probably close down physical stores, and transform GameStop into the digital gaming company. So that's what I think. That will be the move in the right directions. And if you also look at it, there are a few other reasons why that GameStop went up. And Jimber, CFO Jimber resigned. So looks like the investor were happy that he resigned. And remember, they did not say the reason why he resigned, and most likely because the new investor came on board, and he wanted to shake up the management. That's very very usual. So it looks like the stock price went up. So that means that investor are happy that he Jimber resigned. And also the GameStop shares jump after Reddit legends Kike doubles down, because Kike bought more GameStop stock in the retail. So that could be one of the reasons why the stock jump as well. So there are three reasons that I have noticed. So what other stocks are also going up together with GameStop? GameStop was not the only stock that went up today. So if you look at the Express also won at 40.69%. And 40.69%, after hour is 4.36 USD. 4.36 USD. That's pretty crazy. So if you look at it, 46% after hour 26.46. That's a pretty big move. ESPR is also another retailer with high shorts before, a month ago. Now it's much much more lower than the short interest is much lower than the 4 weeks ago, but it still went up like 40.69% too. Another one is called Naked Brand. Naked Brand also went up 31.07%. This is also a retailer too, as well. After hours is $1.48. So yeah, so these stocks are also going up together with GameStop almost at the same time. If you look at it, around 3-4 p.m. So ESPR also the same too, around 3-4 p.m. Cost Corporation, another retailer, they said headphones this also jumped 54.96%. So after hours move was even more crazier than that. So $32.30. So remember, this stock used to be the highest was 127.45. 4 weeks ago it jumped up like crazy. And my predictions, the short float of GameStop is stayed pretty high, 39.53, even though it's already down a lot. Remember, this short flow was used to be more than 100%, 130 or 140%. That's crazy. So everybody cover their position. So stay the short flow is 39%. So another thing is Robinhood. Robinhood, one of the reasons why GameStop shares went down a few weeks ago was because Robinhood restricted the trading. Robinhood and other stock brokerage companies. For this time around, I don't think they're gonna do that again, because they got backlash just from retail investor. Everybody was saying, "Oh, I'm just gonna quit Robinhood. I'm gonna change to another brokerage company." So I don't think Robinhood's gonna do that anymore. So it will be really, really interesting to see, without the restrictions, how this stock price gonna perform. Like GameStop, ESPR, Naked Brand, and also Cost Corporation as well. And also I also posted some of the trade alert in Richard Insider Patreon group on February 24 as well, so you can go and check it out. So these are the stocks that I'm trading right now this period. And so what I will do, I will be trading some of these stocks during the days, but however there are better growth stocks that I'm also buying. These stocks gonna be only very small percentage of my portfolio. So as these stocks are very, very speculate, buy with the money that only you can afford to lose, like lottery money. You buy Powerball, you buy jackpot, whatever the lottery that you buy, you're most likely gonna lose that money. It's the same with these stocks as well. So remember, these stocks, these are this is the first day the stock jump. 4 weeks ago, it took a few weeks for GameStop to become $484 stock. So maybe there is some time left. We might probably have some time to get into the GameStop, and maybe a few days later or a few weeks later, the GameStop might probably go up more than 200, 300. Who knows? Or it might probably go down. Nobody knows, but it will be so interesting to see how it's gonna perform in the next few weeks. But in my opinion, because this just started, so we might still be in time. We are most likely gonna be in time for that. So if you are interested, you can join my Patreon group. The Go Patreon, I send on the Go Stock Alert. The stock that I buy, you can also chat with me directly. And with Trading Patreon, I send on the alerts for my day trade, my swing trade, and my momentum trade as well. And also, yeah, you can also chat with me directly as well. So if you want both, you're gonna save money by joining Palladium, because you save $16. If you join individually, it's gonna be 104. So I send out my Go Stock Alert, day trade alert, and also my momentum trade alert as well. Also, I super growth stock that I know I share with my Palladium patrons. So the link's gonna be down below. You can also remember this link to https://bit.ly/richlardinsider ILI Patreon. So trading requires special skills just like investing, but in my experience, those who are great at investing get better at trading much easier. So that happens when preparation meets opportunity. So study hard, you're always ready. Remember all investment have risk, so you can make a lot of money or lose money. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Videos on this channel are my opinions for information and entertainment only. It's not investment advice to buy or sell any stock. Do your own independent research before buying or selling any securities. So you don't have to have 100,000 plus portfolio, and you can start with $10 or a few hundreds or thousands. That's how I got started as well. So you can start investing. That developing a habit is much more important than how much money you have right now. So there will be useful links in the description. You can get free audibles, get two or more free stocks. The links are gonna be down below. If you want to become real estate agent, you can sign up for the real estate course as well. It's gonna be licensing course, study for about 60 to 90 days, and you take the exam, and when you pass it, you can become a real estate agent. The best credit cards, if you need some cash really quick, you can click on the link below to open a credit card as well. If you are paying more than $15 a month for your mobile plan, you are paying too much. So I only pay $50 a month for unlimited mobile plan. The link is down below as well. If you are thinking about traveling, you can get free travel credits down in the link below. So if you have any questions, comment down below. So also you can message me on Facebook or Instagram as well. Get free stocks, audibles in the description and comment. Let me know where you're watching from, your city, your state, and country. I would really love to know you. Subscribe YouTube and like CFAS Facebook and follow Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.